Welcome everyone. Today I'll guide you through setting up a funnel in Go HighLevel using the Funnel Builder. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description box to access Go HighLevel. Now, let's get started. First things first, sign up or log in to your HighLevel account. Once we're there, navigate to Sites and then click on Funnels. Here you can either create a new funnel from scratch or choose from the template library. Let's explore the templates for options like lead capture, free resources, downloads, events, and consultations. Once you've chosen your template, click on it, review the details, and continue to get the template. Sometimes, you might need to go to Recent if it doesn't show up immediately. From there, click Edit to start customizing your funnel. On the left side, you'll see the funnel steps, including the home page, appointment page, and thank you page. You can edit each page by clicking on it. In the settings, you can adjust details like the path, add a Facebook pixel, set a favicon, and even change the domain. To add a new step, simply click on Add New Step and follow the prompts to set it up. You can also import from ClickFunnels if needed. Now let's focus on editing a page. Click on Edit Page and wait for it to load. On the left, you'll find section settings, and on the right, a drag and drop editor similar to Wix. You can easily customize elements like buttons, text, images, and more. You can also adjust settings like padding, color, and link destinations. If you want to change a section, simply click on it and modify it as needed. You can swap out images, adjust text, and make it your own. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to save. Repeat this process for other pages in your funnel. And remember, you can always preview your funnel to see how it looks live. That's it. Creating a simple sales funnel in Go HighLevel is straightforward and customizable. Don't forget to click the link in the description box to try Go HighLevel. Thank you for watching.